topic, breathing. Why do we get hiccups?
Easy peasy. We get them when our friends think of us.
No. We get hiccups mainly because of our diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle between our lungs and stomach. It generally works perfectly.
Just like me, right?
Nah.
Huh?
When we inhale, our diaphragm contracts, helping us take in air into the lungs. When we exhale, it relaxes, helping us give out air. However, sometimes this contraction does not happen properly. One of the reasons is excess eating. Eating too much too quickly causes our stomach to swell, causing discomfort to our diaphragm. Due to this, our diaphragm contracts irregularly in a jerky way, making us suck air suddenly. This air rushes through our voice box, making the vocal cords to close suddenly, creating a hiccup.